A powerful earthquake measuring 7.0 in magnitude struck the Pacific Ocean off Russia's far eastern coast early Sunday, shaking the region near a major naval base. The quake hit at a depth of 18 miles, with its epicenter located about 63 miles east of Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, a key port city home to over 181,000 residents.
The earthquake occurred at a depth of 6 kilometers. The magnitude was 7. The epicenter of the earthquake was located in the Pacific Ocean, 108 kilometers southeast of the Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky urban district.
Following the tremor, the U.S. National Weather Service's Pacific Tsunami Warning Center issued a tsunami warning for coastal areas within 300 miles of the epicenter. However, this warning was soon lifted, with the center noting that only minor sea level fluctuations were expected in some nearby coastal zones.
The aftershock process will continue for quite a long time. In the coming days, we can expect quite strong, distinct tremors in Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky with an intensity of up to 5 points.
Compounding the situation, volcanic eruptions were reported in the Kamchatka Peninsula and the Kuril Islands. Eyewitness footage captured the simultaneous eruptions of 2 volcanoes, adding to the region's unrest.
I'm on the bridge over the Kabeku River, and it's visible that a layer of ash about 2 to 3 mm has fallen. We can see that the ashfall continues. It smells of burning.
Despite the intensity of the earthquake and volcanic activity, there have been no immediate reports of damage or injuries. The region, known for its seismic volatility and volcanic landscape, remains under close observation as local authorities assess the impact of the natural disasters.
Подушку даже. Монитор хотела, нет.